Alright y'all, so we got a beautiful 1968 Buick Electra here, aka deuce and a quarter. This thing is gorgeous. You can tell by the paint. I'm gonna say off top, paint is probably about an 8.5 to a 9. This is beautiful gold, champagne style color. Got it sitting on a new set of wheels, 22s, chrome all the way around with the Vogue tires. Looking at this front fender, nothing to point out there, pretty solid. Paint and body looks good, no dents, no scratches. Door appears to be aligned properly. And keep on moving down the side. Skirts look solid, no bubbling, no paint chips. And then as we come to this rear quarter, again, everything looks nice and straight. No crazy waves, no crazy dents. Coming to the trunk area. Trunk looks good. Again, you guys can see this paint looks pretty nice. No bubbling, flaking, or no fading anywhere that I can really see. Looks pretty solid back here. Bumper looks good, no dents. Chrome looks good, no flaking. Didn't see any pitting there either. And then as you look down this driver's side, again, looks pretty straight. No waves or dents I can see. Paint looks beautiful. Skirts look good. We're just gonna keep it moving. Again, door looks properly aligned. No chips there to really point out. Windshield looks good. No cracks, no spider webbing or anything. And then all the chrome around the windshield as well. Front fenders. Front fender. Again, looks good. I don't see any misalignment, any cracks or anything to point out. Straight down the middle of the hood. All the trimming is intact. Again, paint looks solid. No rock chips or anything that I need to point out here. Looks like maybe at some point in time there might have been a little chip here and it was filled in. Again, this is about 6 inches away, so you really don't see it. Front bumper looks good. No dents, no rust to point out. And got the Buick emblem still intact. A lot of these that we get end up missing that, and it's almost impossible to find that replacement. So let me just pop the hood here. Let me see. Get my hand up here. All right. Underneath is super clean. As you can see, she's got the 430. Nice and clean underneath. Power brakes, power steering, AC equipped. Super clean underneath. And then you can see underneath the hood as well. You can tell that the trunk latch has been replaced because it's sideways instead of vertical, so nothing crazy. Trunk pan looks beautiful. Got the original coating there, no soft spots, no surface rust. Beautiful trunk, bare, like most people would like it. Interior, these seats are new, beautiful, no rips, no tears. Color looks great. Carpet's in pretty good condition as well. This car is missing headrests. I'm guessing when the upholstery got redone, they might have lost them and we couldn't find them. You know, looks like it came that way though. So beautiful front seats again, no rips, no tears. Color is great. A little stiff right there on the opening. Passenger door panel looks solid. Power windows, of course, they work. Dash is solid as far as the front part. Looks like the glove box, they replaced it and doesn't match. Easily can be remedied if you can get the paint matched, because that's all they do anyways, just paint those. And get over to the driver's side. Again, driver's side seat looks great. No rips, no tears. Yeah, a little tiny bit of a seam split right here. Maybe they sewed it a little bit too tight. Again, something minor, but it's the only thing I really noticed on the interior. Driver's side door panel, again, pretty solid. So let's get ready for this test. All right, y'all, we'll get ready on the test drive on this Deuce. Cold start. It is like 42 here, so I'm gonna let her warm up just a little bit. First things first. Window a little bit slow, to be expected, but we'll let that go up. Yeah, definitely a little slow. Generator light is on. We looked into it, don't know why. Hey, you see she starts up with no issues, so leave it alone. AC on, lights are on, you can see it there, plus I can see it reflecting in the car up there. Wipers, left turn signal, right turn signal. The seat, I'm messing with the reclining controls. They are working. I don't know if you guys, yeah, you should be able to see it. It's flipping back and forth. I think it's all the way back as far as it can go. So we're good there. No horn. No radio. And I am gonna let the top up just because, like I said, it's like 40 degrees outside, so you guys will see the top before the end of the video. A little bit different than normal. See, went up, no issue. Locked down, no problem. Let's go ahead, go over and drive. Mileage reads 94,282. Crazy weird sounds from the motor. No belt squeal, no lift or tick. Exhaust sounds pretty healthy. I can already tell alignment is off just a little bit. Let's see. So hands off the wheel, she's tracking straight, but you can see the wheel is clocked wrong. So speedometer is working, showing us about 25-30, which is accurate. Suspension feels solid, not bouncing all over the road or anything like that, as you guys can see. Brakes are good. Pretty sure it's probably drums all four corners. We'll check once we get it on the rack, but let's go ahead and give her a little bit of throttle. Generator light is off now. I don't know if maybe because we're, we let it warmed up. Not really sure. Shifts are smooth, no issues with the transmissions. Pretty sure, normal 3-speed. We've already ran through them, no issue. Doing about 45. Again, no weird sounds. Windows not rattling or anything like that. And brakes are good. back and put her on the rack so you guys can see underneath. All right, we got the deuce up on the rack. Again, rear bumper looks solid, no cracks, no crazy dents. I kind of figured that there was some type of exhaust work done because I kind of heard a little more growl than normal in these, so you guys will see as we move up. New gas tank. Trunk pans look solid, so does the frame, the extensions. Let's go down. I hate when I don't raise this high enough. I got to bend down. Drum brakes in the rear. Rear diff looks great, no signs of leak. Again, you can see the exhaust has been done. As we move down, frame is perfectly straight. Floor pans look solid. Let's see. Yeah, solid. It's got flow masters on here. Coming down to the driver's side, again, frame is nice and straight. And let's see. Floors look solid. At some point in time, they were repaired, because I can tell. Again, no soft spot. I can just tell because of the seam work there. Just came off the test drive. No signs of a leak from the oil or trans pan. As I thought, drum brakes up in the rear. I'm sorry, front. And everything looks solid. Let me get up under here. Front bumper looks good. A little bit of surface rust underneath from scratching up, but that's normal. No dents or anything. Coming along this passenger side, again, the wheels are new at all four corners, so we won't highlight that again. Underneath the car, chrome cladding looks good, and then the body looks solid as well. Nothing to point out on this rear quarter panel. Coming down the driver's side, again, underneath the body looks good. Skirts look good, and then the rest of our chrome cladding. You got a little tiny bit of peeling on the chrome underneath. That's normal with everything popping up, hitting it, but again, that's from the bottom, not from the top. Pretty solid. If you guys are interested in this deuce, give us a call at 256-801-4409. Check us out at Rolling Museums on the website and Instagram. As always, appreciate you watching. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe below.